Hi everyone, my name is Lucia. Now you are the kind family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Today I'll be making stir-fried beef with rice, one of my favorite things to eat. And here I have my special guest, with my sister. Introduce yourself. And don't forget everyone, Megara. Very good. So these are the stuff I'll be using. First things first, I'll start off with washing my hands. First things first, the very first thing. I'm going to be starting off with washing my rice right here.
I want to wash it too.
No. It's okay. I'm washing it so all of that can be gone. Start your coming to, okay? And by the way, this is glass. I don't want to break it. Now I'm going to get my salts. Okay, perfect. I'm going to close it and then I'll let it cook for 30 minutes. So let's do it. So guys, when my rice is getting ready, I'll go ahead and cut my beef. But first things first, I'll go ahead and wash my hands.
I'm helping them out.
Thank you very much. Let me open it for you. Oh. Now let's cut. If you're looking to do IT, my dad teaches IT and the name is Team Protect Solution. So yeah. And if you want to Russian style, click in the link below. And my mom is close, and she does hair too. And I do a YouTube channel which is named The Cunning Family, and I'm gonna spell it for you guys. CALDINE and then family. FAMILY. So yeah. So Sky, how are you doing? I hope you guys have a very good day, by the way. So yeah. And Sky, I hope you learn how to cook because it's very hard in here because our rice is getting cooked. So yeah. So here we have our cornstarch. We're gonna put 3 scoops right here. Sky, you see? Thank you very much. Now I'll put my meat seasoning. Soy seed, sweet seasoning. So guys, now I'll put my eggs. Sky, you see? Can I do it? Now I'm gonna wash my hands for my sister. Now I'll put my black pepper. Mix. You have to mix with my glove right here. So I'm gonna mix. Here we have my garlic powder. Sky, see?
Garlic powder.
A little too much. Here we have our cardamom seasoning. You can. Don't put too much. Okay, that's enough.
Thank you for love.
Here we have our whole cumin. Here we have our soy sauce. And we're gonna put in a little bit. Sorry, see soy sauce.
Yes.
Too much, but it's fine. think I cooked too much.
Yes, I think so.
I did.
You put a little
Like so much.
like this.
No, don't.
Then
And last but not least, I'll put my salt.
do it a little.
Sorry, Skylar, but now I'm gonna mix with my garlic.
No, Mama. I did the mix.
You're welcome. And you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.
It's a bit of ice here.
So guys, my beef is ready. And I'll put it at the side while I cut my onions and my garlic and my ginger. So let's do it. So this over here. And you always gotta clean, so let's do it.
Yeah.
Don't put your hand in. I want to clean. I think I should start with the bell pepper. Sky, you're gonna be a good girl at school.
Yes.
And by the way, my sister is going to kindergarten and I'm going to grade 2. Now that my bell pepper is ready, I'll go ahead and cut my scallion, my garlic, my ginger. So let's do it. And what do you have to say, Sky? Louder. Look at the camera.
Subscribe to my channel.
It's not like her channel, it's like all of our channels. Now I'm gonna cut my tomatoes. Gonna cut in the middle. Guys, everything is gonna be straight, like my beef right there. So guys, all my stuff is ready. I'll go ahead and boil my broccoli and my carrots. So let's go. Come with me as we go. Sky, you're gonna help me with one job. The job is this is breakable, and I want you to hold it, or never mind, hold this one. Don't make the broccoli fall. Hold it. Put it inside.
Thank you.
I got it. Now we have to wait for 10 seconds. So you guys, this is how my rice looks like, and my broccoli and my carrots is getting ready at the side. So yeah. Guys, my 10 seconds over. I'll go ahead and take off my broccoli and my carrots off the fire. So let me off it first because I don't want to burn my hand. So you guys, this is how it looks like. So you guys, I'll put my olive oil and then I'll fry my beef right here. Now I'll put in my beef. So guys, this is how my meat looks like. I'm gonna keep doing this over and over until everything is finished. So guys, this is how my beef looks like. And this is the last one, so let's put it into my plate. So yeah. First things first, I'll be putting in my garlic and my ginger. Now I'll be putting in my onions and my tomatoes. roughly with my carrots. Now I'll go ahead and put in my bell pepper. Now I'll put in my scallion. Now I'll mix. Now I'll be putting in my beef. My pan is already full. Look at it. It's like so full. Oh my god. Now I'll put in some Henson sauce. I'm gonna close it for 5 minutes and then I'll take it off. So yeah. But before I do that, I'll just spoon first. So guys, this is how my stir fry beef and rice looks like. Now it's time to serve. So yeah. So guys, this is how it looks like. I'll put my stir fry beef on my dad's plate. So let's do it. So guys, this one's for my dad. And this is the one I'll be tasting. And by the way, if you don't know, this is stir fried beef with rice. Now I'm gonna pray. Amen, amen. Lord bless this food, bless who doesn't have, thank for life, thank for everything. And God, please bless all my followers. Please bless my family. Amen. So let's taste. 3, 2, 1. And these are for those who made it to the end. You guys, are you going to be tasting this at home? And this is super delicious. And if you don't know the name of this food, this is stir fried beef with some rice. So this is very, very delicious. I hope you guys have a good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Peace.